In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Chrome remote desktop app. So if you're experiencing errors with your app, maybe your app can't connect to your computer or your app keeps on crashing whenever you try to open it, let me show you how you can fix this and get your app running without any problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do, there are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to troubleshoot and fix errors on your Chrome remote desktop app. The first thing you need to do is to access the app information page, and you can simply do this through settings. So if I go to settings and then scroll down until you see this option called apps, you'll see this option called manage apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So if I go to manage apps, you can see this will go ahead and list all the apps that I have on my smartphone. From this, scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, my app is here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see now I'm on the app information page. So it is from here that you want to do the first troubleshooting. So if getting to this page is quite complex for you, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For this, just go back and then go to your app. And this time round, instead of tapping on your app, just go ahead and long press on it. And you'll see this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will still take you to the same app information page. From here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data and more especially cache data. So if I go and tap on storage here, you can see we have quite a number of cache data. Now, when you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it. And these are stored to enhance user experience. Now, the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, you need to go ahead and clear these cache files. To do so, just head down here and then look for this option called clear data. If you tap on it, select this option called clear cache and then OK. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open the app and it should now start working. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and tap on clear all data. So if you clear all the data by tapping on OK, it will wipe out all the credentials that you logged in with and you'll have to log in afresh and see if your app works. But should that not solve your problem, then head to the third and the last method, and that is look for the app through Google Play Store if you're on Android and App Store if you're on iPhone, and look for any update if it is available. So for that, I'll go ahead and look for Play Store, and here's my Play Store, and then look for Chrome Remote Desktop app, and you can see mine is here. From here, look for any update if it is available, then go ahead and update it. One of the problems why your app is malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of your app and you need to update it to the latest version to be able to fix bugs, security issues, and also get the latest features that come with Chrome Remote Desktop app. By using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issue or any error related to your app and have the app running smoothly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.